Hello friends, I welcome you to this class. In this class, I want to show you how you can use YouTube for transcription. We have conducted in-depth interview, focus group discussion. You have your video files. So that's the purpose of this training so that you can know how to use YouTube for transcription. Now it must be emphasized that the recording must be quality. The sound, you must have very good sound. So if you want to have very good production of transcript, make sure that you don't have background noises and among other factors that can affect the quality of the sound. So when you have your video file, the next thing is to upload on the channel. Now you discover that I'm just using the channel for the purpose, there are no subscribers. I'm just using for the purpose of just for transcription alone. So it's not a public channel. So what I have to do is to upload the video. So click on this button, great. Click on upload video. So when you click on that, you have this interface. You have to click to select the file. You must have saved the video in a folder. So the next is to select the file. Yes, this is a file. Yes. So I'm making use of a documentary on Eagle. So because the purpose is just for transcription, so I won't need to fill all these details. You can see this, the video is uploading, so you can scroll up. No, it's not for kids. So may not bother. I just click next as the video is still uploading. Click next. Click home. Okay, you can click on unlisted. So since the purpose is not for public view, so just for transcription, you click on that, or private as deemed fit by you. And next thing is to click on you can scroll up, what other things. Okay, now click on save. So you see the video 16%. So you have to be patient when finish uploading. Now you also have to know that the volume of your video also determine the time it takes to upload. Yes, if you have large file, you can split it so that you can upload it very fast and also get your transcript very fast. You have to take note. You have SD and you have the HD. The SD part will finish first, and while you wait for the HD, so you have finished processing, so you can close it. And so after some time, you can go back and play the video. You can close. So after a successful upload of the video, so you have to come back to the channel, click on the video. There's a video on YouTube. Okay, so when you view it on YouTube, this is the video.
Ideal predators, strong, fast, agile.
Now what we need to do is to extract the transcript. Now if you click here, if you click here, you will have the subtitles / the CC, that is closed caption. You can turn it on. Put it English auto generated. So can you see? This was not there before, now you have it. So if you play it and as the video plays, it's gonna display the caption. You have it. Let me play the video.
Agile with powerful wings in keen eye.
Now what you have done now is this auto-generated transcript. Now what you have to do now, you have to copy it. Of course, you can copy it from the screen. So the next is to copy it. So let me show you how you can copy it. Click on this three dots. Click on this three dots. Click on open transcripts. So yeah. So what you have to do, copy the transcript. Copy the transcript. Copy everything you need. Copy it. So if it's interview or focus group, so you focus group discussion, you follow the same process. Just make sure that the audio has a very good quality. In the next video, I will show you how you will paste in the Microsoft Word, how if you want to remove the timestamp, how you can remove it, the command that you will need to make it presentable for reading. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also click on the alarm button so that you can get our subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.